Hello grade 8 students, welcome to a new English lesson. We are in module 7, describing objects and clothes. You need to go to the student book, page 92, activity number 3, speaking. You also need to go to the speaking section at the end of the student book, pages 113, 114. Let's start our lesson for today with a game. Try to guess what is the object depending on the clues. I use it to stir the coffee. It is small. It is made of metal. Did you guess? Okay, well done. It is the spoon. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to speak with acceptable fluency and accuracy to describe objects and clothes. You will also be able to ask questions and reply to questions while describing objects and clothes. This is related to the student book activity number 3, page 92. Let's first revise some vocabs related to objects. Do you remember what's this? Yes, it is the bookcase. Good. What about this one? Where do you usually see it? It is usually fixed on walls, right? Brilliant. It is the shelf. Very good. What about this? It is usually found in kitchens, right? People use it to open cans. Excellent. It is the can opener. Good. What about this one? Do you have a similar one in your bedroom? You put your clothes in, right? Brilliant. It's the cabinet. Okay, now let's revise some vocabulary related to clothes. What do you call these? Good. They are jeans. What about this one? Excellent. It is a striped shirt. Good. What about this? It's formal, right? Brilliant. It is the suit. Nice. What about these? What do you call them? Well done. They are trainers. Good for you. Now, how do we usually describe things? We usually describe things by using adjectives referring to size, shape, color, etc. Let's take this example. The fish on the left can be described with the word big. If we compare that to the one on the right, the one on the right is small. What about this piece of donuts? What about its shape? Good, it is round. Excellent. Okay, now let's take this example. This is called a frame, right? We usually put photos inside. How can we describe it? What about the shape? Brilliant. It is square. Okay. Now what about the material from which things are usually made? We know that things are usually made from different kinds of materials like wood here, leather, plastic, metal, glass, paper, and many other different things, of course. Okay, now let's take this as an example. What it is made of? It is made of wood. Good, this is the cabinet. It's made of wood. Let's take another example. What about this? What is it made of? It is made of metal. It is made of metal. This is the can opener, right? Okay, now let's see some materials which are used for clothes. Here we have a woolen hat, denim shirt, silk scarf, a cotton t-shirt, and a leather jacket. Let's take an example. What is the t-shirt made of? You see the t-shirt here? What is it made of? It is made of cotton. Good. What about the leather jacket here? Let's see. What is the jacket made of? It is made of leather. Brilliant. Okay, now telling the purpose or the usage of an item or an object might be very helpful also. Let's see this example. What is it used for? It is used for opening cans. It is called the can opener. So giving the usage or telling the purpose of an item might also be very helpful to the listener to identify the item or the object you are talking about. Now please go to the student book, page 92, activity number 3, speak, role play. 2 students are required here. Student A needs to go to the student book, page 113, and student B, page 114. You can practice this with a member of your family, or you can call one of your classmates and practice this. Please remember this step, it's very important. When you don't know or you don't remember what something is called, don't panic. Just try to describe its shape, what it is made of, and what it is used for. You can use one of these expressions. Now, student A, imagine that you are a customer in a department store and you want to buy one of the objects shown below, the names of which you don't know. Student B is the shop assistant. You are going to talk to him or her and describe the object you want. Use some of these phrases. In the table here, we have some phrases or expressions used to describe objects. We have discussed them earlier, like describing shape, size, like telling the material and the purpose or the usage. On the right, you will find some expressions and phrases which are usually used while shopping. It's very important to have a look at this table. Now let's practice some phrases for student A. Hello, I'm looking for something, but I don't know what it is called. Yes, it's big and it's made of wood. It's an object which people use to put their clothes in. Yes, that's it. Thank you very much. Now, student B, imagine that you are a shop assistant in a department store. Student A is a customer. Look at the objects shown below and try to help student A find what he or she wants to buy. Talk to him or her using some of the phrases. On the left here, you will find some questions that you might need to ask to identify the object the customer is looking for. On the right, you will find some helpful shopping language which you might need also to use while having such a conversation. These are, of course, the items or the objects from which you are going to choose. Now let's practice some phrases for student B, the shop assistant. Good morning, sir. How can I help you? Can you describe it? What is it used for? I see. Is this what you are looking for? It's called phone holder. You are welcome. Okay, now let's practice a real situation while shopping. Remember that student A is the customer and student B is the shop assistant. Good morning, sir. How can I help you? Hello, I'm looking for something, but I don't know what it is called. Can you describe it? Yes, it's square and it's made of wood. What is it used for? It's an object which people use to put their photos in. I see. Is this what you are looking for? Yes, that's it. It's called a frame. Thank you very much. You are welcome. Now please complete the following dialogue with the suitable option from those given in the box. You can pause the video here, read the given options carefully, then try to fill with the suitable one in the dialogue. Okay, let's check our answers together now. Good morning, sir. How can I help you? Hello, I'm looking for something, but I don't know what it is called. Can you describe it? Yes, it is small and it is made of metal. What it is used for? People use it to open cans. I see. Is this what you are looking for? Yes, that's it. It's called the can opener. Thank you very much. You are welcome. Dear students, please do not forget to do your daily assignment. Go to the LMS and do it, please. Also, you have a homework in the workbook, page 101, activity number C. Please do it. Stay well. Goodbye.